years, so now is the time for us to start these raised metal beds as we're getting older. This will be a lot better for us as we age. So as you can see, it's packaged really nicely. So it's got the flat pieces all in one spot. Everything that we love about these Vegega beds. The Vegega bed has a powder coating on the outside, or zinc coated galvanized steel, so it's triple coated for strength and safety. This is the 6x2 by 17 inch tall bed. We both did one corner and then we did one side with 3 panels. Put them together in the middle and bolted it up so that it was a nice perfect oval bed.
So out of the raised beds that we have put together so far, I do like how these go together. Less screws, but they're really sturdy. The metal's pretty thick. And then when you add this cross member, I like how it really sturdies it up. So when you add the dirt, it don't blow out the sides. And now we're gonna apply this rubber edging around the top here to keep from cutting yourself. You just poke it on here, just work it all the way around.
This rubber edging was really easy for Jeremy to apply. It's just there to make sure that you don't ever scratch your fingers on the seams. They're light and easy to move around, so all you've got to do is find your perfect spot and start filling.